All right, I have a Paxman Model 20M, and this is from 1981. The reason this horn is so special is because it's the old layout. The change valve is directly in line with the other valves, and I think that actually adds to the sound. And then this bell, it's a fixed bell, which is super rare. It's in really good condition. This bell has no patches, no real wear marks. You can see it's basically kind of unplayed. So this horn has a lot of life left in it. The reason I got this horn was because Radovan Vlahovic, one of my favorite horns ever, plays this model horn, and then Alessio Allegrini, my other favorite French horn sound, plays this model horn. So again, it's a pre-85 Paxman Model 20. You'll notice it has a really special sound. Again, Radovan, Alessio, they all chose this instrument for a reason. So again, I hope you enjoy. The tuning configuration is pretty standard here. First valve out a little bit more, second valve in, third valve out a little bit. And then if we look at the back of the horn, I'm doing most of the tuning not from the B flat side, not from the F side, but mostly from the main tuning slide here. And you can see the first valve is a little less than a centimeter, second valve is a centimeter, and third valve is probably 3/4 of a centimeter. So this would be like most, least, medium. And again, here, this is not a lot, but this is a lot. So, and this is a very little bit for the B flat slide. So I think this really makes a big difference when playing this instrument. It sets everything up to be in tune through all the registers. The mouthpiece I'm using is again a Euroshank Lasky, and I just think it fits in just the right amount to give the horn the proper zing. Finding the proper fit for your mouthpiece is really going to make a big difference. Also, putting the horn tuning slides are really going to make a big difference how the horn plays and responds to you. So mouthpiece fit and tuning slide approximation.